Dimensions: 4.1 by 2.52 by 2.95, the 5 feet. Long power cord offers convenient installation. Max flow rate, 400 GPH, 1500 H, max lift height, up to 5.3 featuring watt, 15 W, voltage, 110 to 120 V. Detachable cleanable. This compact water pump is easy to hide or disguise and no additional tools are needed for disassembly and cleaning. A variety of outlet positions. Place the pump flat and choose whichever outlet position suits your needs. Wide range of application. High-performance energy-efficient pump designed for use in ponds, fountains, waterfalls, hydroponic systems, irrigation systems and other water features. 4 suction cups. The 4 suction cups are strong and require no extra tools to secure. You can choose vertical or horizontal fixing according to your needs. Top reviews from the United States. Great pump. Ultra quiet. If you weren't the one to plug it in, you wouldn't even know it's on. I didn't even feel any vibrations from it. 400 GPH will drain my 40-gallon aquarium quick, fast and in a hurry. This thing has made doing 25 to 50% water changes a breeze. I connect a hose such as the Python branded one or something similar from Tetra etc. to the pump and let the water flow down the drain. You could also use that old nutrient-rich fish water to water your plants as well. After I've drained the desired amount, I unplug this from the outlet, so that it turns off, then turn on the faucet to allow fresh new water to flow straight into the aquarium. No buckets needed. Leaving the hose connected to this allows the flow back into the aquarium to be nice and gentle so that it won't disturb my sand substrate. Add water conditioner and boom. Good to go. At a price point of $21, I'd say this thing is a great value.